Let's do an online grocery haul worth 3,000 pesos. First on the list, eggs, banana, the Cavendish one, then tomatoes, okra for 35 pesos, eggplant for 25 pesos. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Ang dami kong alugbati. Ang hirap hanapin ng alugbati here in our wet market. Then, calamansi, ang dami niya. And also, a lettuce iceberg. Finally, toge, then onions and kalabasa. Also bought potatoes for 96 pesos. Then moving on to my favorite nuggets, the bacon and cheese one. Tagay ko na hindi ko makain ng skateball, but meron naman nagtitinda sa labas. Pero gusto ko talaga yung ako yung gumagawa. Hindi ko in-expect na ang dami ng cream dory na to. This is a fish fillet. Next, bacon and some ground pork. And also bought gizzard for my pets. The next one, this Quaker Oats. And this whole bunch of pancit canton and pasta, chief yam and bacon. Parang hindi ko to in order. Okay, this is a replacement kasi out of stock yung gusto ko. Betchin, Yakult. So happy my new stocks of QP. Is this QP or QPI? I don't know. But I love these two. Then luncheon meat. I don't know bakit siya may pancit canton. Siguro free siya. Sesame oil. Quick melt cheese. And then for the canned goods, I bought corned beef. This is my favorite from Pure Foods. Then tuna, 555. And also century tuna, not hot and spicy. Also bought my favorite shiitake mushroom and the ordinary mushroom lang. And some peas. Then this Bear Brand for my oatmeal. And trash bag. Pinalitan siya. Nag-replacement siguro. So yeah, some trash bag. Different flavors of tang, then oyster sauce, mayonnaise, this alcohol, since wala na akong alcohol. Dapat pala linakihan ko na. Finally, last one is wipes. So that's all. This has cost me about 3,000 pesos on Metro Mart. I bought this with my own money. By the way, this is my bill from Metro Mart for 3,000 pesos. And here's everything that I got. And see you guys on my next one.